how to fix Android not connecting to PC but charging only. This tutorial shows you how to enable file transfer and fix USB connection issues between your Android device and computer. First, make sure you're using a good quality USB cable that supports data transfer. Some cheap cables only support charging and not data transfer. Try using the original cable that came with your phone if possible. Next, when you plug your phone into your PC, swipe down from the top of your screen. Following that, you'll see a notification saying USB charging this device or Android system notification. Now, tap on that notification to expand USB options. You'll see different USB connection modes displayed. Moving forward, the default is usually set to charging only or no data transfer. Tap on it to change the connection type. Afterwards, select File Transfer or MTP, Media Transfer Protocol. This allows your PC to access your phone's files. Your computer should now recognize your phone as a storage device. If it still doesn't work, enable USB debugging. Open the Settings application on your device. Scroll down and tap on About Phone. Look for Build Number and tap on it 7 times rapidly. You'll see a message saying you are now a developer. Go back to Settings and tap on Developer Options. Toggle on USB debugging. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap OK to allow USB debugging. Now reconnect your phone to your PC. Alternatively, try using a different USB port on your computer. USB 3.0 ports, usually blue-colored, work better than USB 2.0. If the issue persists on PC, you may need to install or update Android USB drivers. Additionally, press and hold the power button on your Android device. Tap on Restart from the menu. Wait for your phone to reboot completely. After restarting, reconnect it to your PC. Your Android should now connect properly for file transfer. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix Android not connecting to PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Android troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.